Let's take a quick look at the available front seat, lumbar massage, and lumbar control on your Lyriq. First, if equipped, locate the massage and lumbar control buttons on the driver's door. Rotate the control knob on the driver's door to activate the infotainment screen's seat adjustment menu. The highlighted option will correspond to what the door control will adjust. For lumbar options, tilt the control forward to increase lumbar support or backward to decrease. Tilt up or down to adjust the lumbar position. Your adjustment will be shown on the infotainment screen. Simply stop adjusting to control at the desired setting. For massage options, tilt the control up or down to turn massage on or off, as shown on the infotainment screen. Tilt the control forward to increase and backward to decrease to adjust between the 3 levels of intensity as shown on the screen. To turn the massage feature on or off, simply press the button in the middle of the control. The massage features will automatically turn off after 20 minutes. To restart massage, simply press the center of the control knob. To learn more about using your Lyriq's features, schedule an appointment with our Cadillac Live experts.